sold-out concert. Please welcome Eric Santos.
Good evening, Moa Arena! Parang concert lang. Good evening, everyone. Acclaimed for their standout songwriting, irresistible melodies, and infectious appeal, it is my privilege to present the first honor of the evening. Here are the nominees for Pop Song of the Year.
PFMA's Pop Song of the Year nominees are All These Ladies, BGYO, Tanga, Kaya, Namumula, Maki, Umalikid, Sarah Espinati, Dota, Espinati,
Grabe! Pwede ba lahat panalo na? And the Pop Song of the Year is... Pop Song of the Year, Dunga by SB19! AJ! Okay, magsasalita na si Josh. Let's go!
Pinasa pa rin sa akin. Well, syempre po, para sa Dongkai, syempre para sa lahat po ng bumuo nitong musika na to, especially Pablo, ang nagsulat po. Syempre po, gusto lang namin magpasalamat po sa lahat ng support, especially with our culture. Syempre, hindi namin magagawa to kung wala sa mga roots natin from the beginning. At ayun po, hindi na namin pahabain. Salamat po sa lahat sa inyo, from 1Z, Sony, sa lahat po ng bumuo. And of course, 18, we love you so much. Yun lang po, thank you.
Here to present the Alternative Song of the Year, the powerhouse frontman of multi-awarded band Wolfgang, Bastian Dadi, and lead vocalist of one of the trailblazing bands in Filipino rock, Razorback, Kevin Roy.
Good evening, Moa Arena! And congratulations to the team behind the first ever Filipino Music Awards.
Celebrating